Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to crop photo in CapCut. We will start by opening our CapCut application and entering an already created project or a new one. After that, we add the photo that we want to edit. Next, click on the photo file and at the bottom, look for the edit option to click on it. Then, click on crop. In this window, we can start by rotating the image with the marker we see if we need it. At the bottom, we can see that we have different set crop ratios that we can apply. If you want, you can also use free or manual mode to do the cropping. When you finish, apply the changes by clicking on the check below. Finally, we will see our cropped image and we can export the project if we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.